Toto Automated Lateral Patient Turning System. This quick reference guide has been produced to assist healthcare professionals and other users with the functional aspects of the system. This guide does not replace the general safety warnings, cautions and recommendations provided in the Toto Lateral Turning System with Toto Touch Control Unit User Guide. Toto is an automatic lateral turning system designed to assist with patient turning. Consisting of a digital control unit and turning platform which is fitted beneath the patient's mattress, Toto automatically turns patients, relieving pressure over their most vulnerable areas. Unlike other patient turning systems, Toto provides regular and consistent complete body turning in a lightweight, easy-to-use setup and access format. Place and centralize the platform directly onto the bed frame with the foot symbol at the foot end of the bed, and then place the mattress or mattress system directly on top. The platform should be free to inflate. Please ensure that each side of the platform can freely inflate and not be restricted by the mattress or the bed frame. Using the bed hooks located on the rear of the control unit, securely hang on the footboard of the bed. Alternatively, position on any stable horizontal surface. Using the quick connectors, connect the grey inflation hoses to the platform air cell hoses, connecting red to red. Connect the grey inflation hoses to the control unit, connecting black to black. Check the CPR deflation valves are securely in place. Connect to mains power via the power lead supplied. To turn the unit on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the LED is illuminated. The default settings are air cell side selection, both sides. Air cell inflation time for 120 minutes. Air cell rest time for 120 minutes. To change the default settings, press the button to scroll through the LED lit options until you have arrived at your preferred choice. A healthcare professional should determine inflation and rest durations. Air cell inflation begins, and each side remains inflated for the duration that is selected. If the control unit is turned off, it reverts to the default settings when switched back on. Therapy pause mode can be engaged by pressing this button once. This temporarily deactivates all control unit functions, returning the platform to a flat position. Press the Start-Stop button. A single beep confirms activation. The currently selected side selection, inflate and rest time LEDs flash when active. For safety, the alarm activates after 10 minutes. To continue in this mode for another 10 minutes, press the Alarm Pause button. Repeat this process until Therapy Pause mode is no longer required. To deactivate, press the Start-Stop button. A single beep confirms deactivation, and the control unit returns to the previously selected settings. Press the Side Selection button to scroll through the available options. Left and right air cells are selected by default. Right air cell only. Left air cell only. Side selection refers to the patient's side as standing at the foot end of the bed. The system defaults to both left and right inflation each time the unit is switched on. The air cell inflation time is the length of time the air cells remain inflated. Minimum 30 minutes, maximum 240 minutes. The system default is set to 120 minutes. The air cell rest time is the length of time the air cells remain deflated and the platform is flat. Minimum 30 minutes, maximum 240 minutes. The system default is set to 120 minutes. The alarm can be paused for up to 10 minutes while troubleshooting, after which time the alarm recommences if the problem remains. To mute the alarm, press the Alarm Mute button. The interface lock prevents any unwanted changes to the control unit settings. Press and hold the interface lock button for 4 seconds. confirmed by the padlock LED and a double beep. When the interface is locked, only the alarm mute button is operational. To deactivate, press and hold the interface lock button for 4 seconds. Deactivation is confirmed by the padlock LED turning off and a double beep. The air leak alarm indicator LED indicates a potential air leak in the system. The air blockage alarm indicator LED indicates a potential blockage in the system. The loss of power alarm indicator LED indicates a potential loss of mains power to the system. The service indicator LED indicates when routine servicing is due. Assess for the risk of entrapment. Position supine patients along the center line of the mattress by aligning the patient's nose with the center of the headboard. Ensure the head and shoulders are supported, preventing neck rolling and pivoting at the hips. Toto is indicated for side lying if patients can self-support and they are in the middle of the bed. The use of bedsides or bed rails is recommended. When Toto is deflated and in the flat position, the distance between the top of the uncompressed mattress and the top of the bed rail should be more than 220 mm. When Toto is deflated and in the flat position, the distance between the top of the uncompressed mattress and the bottom of the bed rail should be less than 120 mm. When inflated, assess the distance between the tilted side of the mattress and the bed rail. This should be less than 120 mm. When using bedsides, consider the use of padding, bumpers, and net infills. All components can be cleaned and decontaminated with either a 0.1% or 1% chlorine-based solution when followed by a thorough rinse with clean water. Please ensure that the control unit is switched off and unplugged before cleaning begins. For further information, please refer to the Toto instructions for use or visit the Frontier Therapeutics website.